Hello and welcome back everybody. So how you can install Ubuntu 18.04 in VMware Workstation. So how we can do that? So let's open the VMware. Here you can see create a new virtual machine option in the home page. Okay. Also you can see file and go to file and create new virtual machine. Click on create new virtual machine. Let's click create a new virtual machine. I'll go with typical option. Okay, click next. I will install operating system later. Okay, and click next. Now I have selected Linux and selected Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, and click next. Here you can change the machine name. So I'll change the machine name Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, and change the location. I'll change the location of machine. Okay, so let's give the location. I'll create the new folder. Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, and enter. And now I'll select this folder. Okay, so you can see here and click next. And you can maximize or minimize your disk space from here. It's a minimum disk space 20 GB, or I'll provide the 25 GB here. Okay, store virtual disk in a single file. Click on store virtual disk in a single file and click next. Here click on customize hardware, and you can custom manage your memory from here, 8 GB or 6 GB or 4 GB. Okay, go with processor. You can change customize your processor number of processor here. Okay, and new CD DVD. Okay, here, so select use ISO image and browse the image. If you already download, it's quite good, and if you do not have downloaded, you can check in the link in the description and download from there. Okay, so I'll select the image. Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, so let's open it and close it. And there one more thing, you can see here the network adapter. Select the bridge. Okay, and close it and finish it. And now you can see we have successfully add a Ubuntu 18.04, but we haven't complete our installation process. So let's complete the installation process. Okay, so turn on this machine. And we have here two options, install or try now. Okay, so click on install Ubuntu, and we go with the default language English US, and normal installation. Select with normal installation and continue. Okay, it asks for erase disk and install Ubuntu, so I'll go with erase disk and install Ubuntu because it's a virtual machine. So I have provided 25 GB. So let's install now. Continue. Okay, here I can select the location. I have selected the Kolkata, India. Okay, and click next. Continue. And it asks for username and password. I provide the username Raj, and it picked the username and password. Okay, now you can see, and I'll check the login automatically. Okay, and click on continue. It will take a little bit time, so wait. And now you can see it asks for restart. Okay, so click on restart. Installation complete successfully. So, and hit the enter button. Okay, now you can see we have successfully installed Ubuntu 18.04. Okay, you can see here. Okay, So if you have a issue with the display resolution, you can change from go to the display settings. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.